Well, I'm really having some problems here. I thought I'd fixed things. This is printing correctly. I'll just get it off there. Nice solid prints. But we've got another problem come up now. I changed the hot end. I wonder if the fans or something aren't working properly. That's spinning okay. That one's spinning okay. Thermal Runaway. That's a new one. Good morning, guys. A summary of the night before, or the day before. Yesterday, I replaced the hot end. I had a spare hot end that had been in my drawer for, well, probably a couple of years now, because I bought it to replace the original, and then, instead of fitting it, decided to replace the whole hot end area with a direct drive, instead of the one that was over there. So it was a spare hot end that had been in the drawer, never used it. Fitted it, and I was actually getting perfectly good prints, good solid prints, compared to the previous ones which had holes in them. I don't know if we can see those. There we go. And that had printed all the way through but was hollow. So that was before I replaced the hot end. New hot end, getting good prints. Left it to print the whole thing last night, and it got that far, two of them that way up, and then it had stopped, and the message said thermal runaway, and it had switched itself off. So I think probably the temperature sensor in there was faulty, because I had noticed that the temperature was going up and down. It wasn't stable. So I think there was a problem with the new hot end that I fitted. So at the moment, we're completely dead. I've got another one on order. I did wonder whether to bother or whether to treat myself to a new printer anyway, but I've ordered a new hot end at the moment. I mean, they're fairly easy to fit. Well, it's a bit fiddly because you've got to feed the wires down through the protection sleeve there. But I did all that yesterday. What I will do now is I'll use the footage off the security camera, fast forward, just to show what I did, because it was a fair bit of work. It goes in there, it plugs into the control board that's in there. Not difficult, just time consuming, but it all failed. And the reason I changed the hot end was when I'd looked at the old hot end, somehow or other it's actually leaking. Instead of coming out through the nozzle, it had been leaking out the back. So that's why I changed it. So I think that's been my main problem. There's other things, because it's just getting old, and I am still going to replace all the runners, because they should arrive today at the post. So today would have been the day when everything was working right, but it's not. Oh, just another little thing that I forgot to say there. Because everything was working right, I'd actually gone back to all the default settings on the items that I was printing. So we were printing at 200 degrees instead of 219. So, you know, it was going absolutely fine. Briefly. Well, that's interesting. I don't know if we can see this. That's the thermistor. Oh, because I'm getting the thermal runaway message. I would have expected the thermistor to be sealed in thermal paste in there. There's no thermal paste in there, as far as I can tell. Oh. I might just try pushing it back in again, see if it makes any difference. I doubt it, but you never know till you've tried. Well, that made no difference. I've just temporarily reconnected the old hot end to make sure that the main circuit board's still okay, and it is. So it does look like it's a problem with the new hot end, which is very frustrating. But I've ordered one anyway. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.